support and monitoring the activities of material requirement planning. Familiar with MRP? Anyway, we are for here. Me myself, Rami Ambarita Saragi from Industrial Engineering, Pasca Sarjana Institut Sains and Teknologi Nasional, Jakarta Selatan. The second one is Franka Hendra, Industrial Engineering from Pamulang University. And the third one is Kartiko Eko Putranto from Agency for the Assessment and Application of Technology, BPPT. And the last but not least, we have Supriyono from Pamulang University Industrial Engineering as well. So me myself, the presenter today, Rami Ambarita Saragi, and here we go. We have 3 steps here. First one is introduction, project overview. The second one is demo, the MRP Excel template, and the third one, the result and conclusion. So let us go to the first one, introduction, project overview. As you know that a raw material planning system is said to be good if it meets the MRP objective targets of the company. So one of the objective is decreasing the value of inventory. Currently, the company is experiencing an increase in inventory value. So the current MRP system performance must be tested. So we have done some processing with MVivo, and the result shows that the user indiscipline factor has a big impact, namely inaccuracies in the MRP system due to the large number of fake data on the system. So following the direction of Wilcox, an Excel template was made as a comparison system for current MRP system that used by the company, so that the current MRP system is clean from fake data and the decision given by the current MRP system are more accurate. So let us review the performance of current MRP system through company's MRP objective. In 2015, as you know that company use SAP as current MRP system. So the objective MRP of current system gives the bad result to the company, especially for inventory costs. Inventory internal users, MRP team, defines that current system shows fake data due to indisciplined users inputting the data. Clean up the data is needed for current MRP system, and supporting templates are designed using Microsoft Excel with some formulation in accordance with MRP calculation to compare with SAP MRP system result. In 2016 focus, we identify the flow of raw material planning process of the company, and tests have been carried out from the beginning of January until end of December 2016. The result of SAP will be compared with Excel template result and clean up the data. Once the data is already clean in SAP, so company can further use SAP and make sure that all users must be disciplined in inputting the data. After 2016, the template not be used anymore because the data in the system is already clean enough. But however, the Excel template can also be used for any manufacturing company that still not have MRP system, especially for UMKM, etc. Okay, next. How we will show you the demo of the MRP Excel template itself. This is how is the process. First one, we will review the MPS, Master Production Schedule. It always be defined by monthly basis. After by monthly basis, we will define it to be the daily production schedule. So we name it like DPS, daily production schedule. And we have DPS finished good, DPS FG, or DPS BP, DPS bus powder. For some manufacturing, they also may have like DPS for like packaging, carton, and extra. It's up to the company itself. And then after we have the DPS, daily production schedule, we go to on how to calculate the MRP. So we use the matrix to the formula to the Excel template, we name it matrix AB. So it's supposed to be like matrix A multiplies with matrix B. So it becomes matrix AB. Let's take the example. If matrix A defined as product produced per month, so for example, product milk 1, milk 2, milk 3, milk 4, produced by monthly basis, January, February, March, April. So we also have matrix B defined as material needed per product. So how many material that needed by product per product, milk 1, milk 2, milk 3, milk 4, and then after that, after we combine it, we multiply this matrix, it's gonna be matrix AB, which is material needed per month. So if you see here, the black one is come from the material itself. Yep, most of company will define it as BOM, bill of material, and then the red one is the finished good one, the finished good by monthly. So you will have the information of MRP itself, ingredient A, B, C, D by monthly basis. So this is we define as MRP. No matter what, so you can put it like MRP finished good, MRP base powder, and then you can combine the MRP, just like sum it up, and then you have MRP total. After you have the MRP, material requirement planning, so you will know how many material that you need to make sure that production can run smoothly. After that, you will define the SOH, stock on hand, and also DOH, days on hand. So here is the calculation. So DOH1 means to define how many days that current stock can cover the materials need. And then DOH2 means that on how planner to define how many days that current stock plus active POs, means that the PO already ordered to the suppliers, maybe the material is still on the way to the destination. And then after that we have DOH3 to define how many days that current stock plus active POs plus additional POs that can cover the material needs to support the production. So additional POs means here is on how many quantity that a planner needs to order to the supplier. So after this, we will know how many material that we need to be ordered as well, right? And then because we use template Excel, so we can combine it with the, so we can compare with the system of MRP that company use, in this case SAP. So let's see here, if you see in SAP, for material 10165950, okay, this kind of material, as you see that in December, seems like that we need about 104 kilogram of the material that needed. But however, in system, it will show as nothing to do, because it just like the system shows that we still have enough capacity. We still have enough stock at our site because there's so many PO return here. So system will trigger it just like normal PO, while PO return means that it's only for document and there is no goods, there is no material at our site, but system still think it that we have this kind of stock. And due to this, it will give us the wrong decision. So with Excel template, we can make it better. So we will try to see how many material that we need actually, and then by a timely manner also during the period, we also can clean all the fake data, especially for this PO return. Okay, after 1 year, we run this kind of process, so we can see the improvement at our side. So if you see the achievement of CSL on time and CSL in full for 2015 and 26, all increased well. So CSL means customer service level on time. So if you see here, we increased from 95.3% to be 95.9%. And then for CSL in full, customer service level in full, we increase again from 95.9% to be 97%. Furthermore, we also get the achievement of inventory value for 2015 and 26 decrease and came in as per company's MRP objective. If you see in 2015, we need to pay about 409 billion rupiahs in 2015, and it is above above from the target. Our target is only 300 billion rupiah, 300 billion rupiah. However, in 2016, we decreased a lot and we can meet as per company's objective. So we decreased a lot to be 290 billion rupiah. So yep, this is good result. And if any companies that need the Excel template, or maybe your company did not have any MRP system at your site, like UMKM for example, so you can use this kind of Excel to adjust at your site to make your material planning run smoothly. I will show you the template itself in Excel. So here it is. BOM finish good here means it is just like how many ingredients. So this is like the product. So the product, yeah, we usually have like the unique number. So this is also be good to identify by unique code. And also this is the material itself. Also we have the DPS finish good. DPS finish good means daily production schedule. After that we can have the MRP finish good. We do the same like for MRP base powder, and then we can total MRP finish good plus MRP base powder. This is on how it runs. And then after that, if you already have finish good and base powder MRP, you can have like the stock on hand 2, and stock on hand 3. Stock on hand 1 means that the position that your stock right now. DOH means days on hand. You can also do the adjustment formatting. Green means that you are okay, there is no shortage in your material. Yellow means you need to highlight it. And red means that you need to have additional order to avoid any shortage in upcoming production, like that. So on how this calculated, here is the simple explanation. Oh, I will inform you. Wait. So here is the simple explanation. This is, for example, milk one, and this is the bill of material. And then just like if you want to know ingredient A, how many in January, February, just like MOT, this is for matrix. So this is January for all milk, but for ingredient only. So milk here, this is matrix A, and this is matrix B. So for